to my world, it's like a dream come true. Got me feeling brand new, only few understood. My girls can't believe you took me out this hood. Introduce your crew like a gentleman would. Even honeys at sea, them giving you that look. Still you grab my hand like a boyfriend should, and tell me that I'm the only one for you. You're so crisp, bad, the way you hold the stand. The grill shiny makes me wanna holler back. Say I'm crazy, on top of chit chats. Just wanna go straight to your bedroom. 21, so in love, nothing really matter then. You inspire me to be the best I can. So glad you chose me to be your girlfriend. Now I just wanna show the world you're still my man.
I keep falling in love, keep falling in love, all over again, all over again. I keep falling in love, keep falling in love, all over again.
Yo, I remember you was working 9 to 5. On your break, you'll come and spend some time. We had our own apartment, living that high life with their homie suntan and live spitting rhymes. Always rolling up that blunt, so much fun. Oakland City's where it begun. In the club, you're the one everybody wanna watch, and I'll be that lucky lady getting it on. You're such a classic, you're no accident. Just glad I found you king, cause you're my best friend, so majestic, a royal highness. Together we gon' make a little prince and a princess. You walk the talk, never stumble on your words and MC. Peeps tryna holler back first, bypass all the rumors that we heard. Glad to be your number one, cause you're my first.
Oh, this is dedicated to my only man. You're my everything, best I ever had. Something that you do makes me feel brand